Cbank or Maribank versus GoTime. Aling card ang masulit gamitan sa MTR papuntang Disneyland from anywhere in Hong Kong? On this basis, we will be coming from TST and I actually tried 3 cards. But most of the time, hindi po nagana ang GCash card here in Hong Kong MTR, unlike other countries. Sayang, ito pa naman ang favorite card ko in terms of conversion. But still, hindi naman sila nagkakalayo ng Cbank and GoTime. To compare both, now from TST to Sunny Bay Station, we took the MTR and paid using my Cbank card and paid 22.2 HKD or 164.05 pesos. While using GoTime naman, same route, pabalik from Sunny Bay Station to TST, I paid 164.18 pesos. Pero I earned 0.33 in rewards. So, Cbank's 164.05 pesos versus GoTime's 164.18 pesos plus reward, I guess kahit alin sa dalawa ang gamitin ninyo, it is still sulit. The difference is almost nothing in terms of peso. So, get these 2 cards before heading to Hong Kong because GCash may not work in everywhere. But at least you get 2 backups. And also, save this Klook discount code na din, KlookGG, to get up to 5% discount in all of your Klook bookings, including the Disneyland tickets.